Hi and what's up? In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple sandwich recipe, and it's going to be super delicious and very easy to prepare. So stick around until the end of the video and learn how to make this recipe. So I'm going to be making my sandwich with leftover everything. I have some leftover spinach over here which are going bad, but they are just okay. Onion, I have some remaining brawn, some sausages and eggs, and yeah, it's going to be very delicious. So without further ado, I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium low flame I'm going to add in some cooking oil, a little bit of oil. Then I'm going to add in a knob of butter. Spread the butter around, and then as my butter gets hot, I'm going to chop one small onion into tiny pieces. When the onions are ready, I'm going to add them in my pan. Stir. I've added in a little bit of oil because I didn't want my butter to burn. If you add plain butter in your pan, you have to be very quick because the butter is going to burn. So I've given you a very nice hack. Don't let your butter burn. Just add a little bit of oil and it's not going to burn. Yeah. So as my onions cook, I'm going to be removing the casing of my sausages. I'm using pork sausages. So I'm going to remove the casing, which is very easy to peel. Check on my onions and they are starting to brown. Because I don't want them to brown too much, I'm going to add in my sausages. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up my sausages and use my hands and add the sausages in the pan. Very easy. So using medium-low flame, it's giving me time to break down the sausages and they are still cooking. And nothing will burn. So at this point, my sausages are looking very nice. When they cook, I'm going to add in some paprika. This is just for color, and some garlic powder. A little bit of black pepper, like a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and salt. Then I'm going to give my sausages a stir. Look at that color. So if your kids are not used to black pepper, you can skip it, it's optional, but it is usually mild. At this point, I'm going to add in my spinach. These are leftover spinach which were in the fridge. They are almost going bad, but they'll save the day today. They will save the day. Then as my spinach cooks, I'm going to add brawn. I'm just using my hands to break down the brawn. Give this a stir. And at this point, I feel like I'm going to dig in because it looks absolutely amazing. So as my spinach cooks and brown, I'm going to add in eggs. I'm using 4 eggs. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. This is just to have that perfect seasoning. And also a little bit of garlic powder. And a little bit, like a pinch of black pepper. Whisk everything together until well combined. Once everything is combined, I'm going to add this in my pan. Stir in the egg so that it can be combined together with the sausages and spinach. If you don't have baby spinach in the house, you can use the regular spinach. So I'm not going to overcook my eggs. They are ready, so I'm going to turn this off, and the seasoning is just perfect. Then I'm going to clear my table a little bit. So I'm going to show you the next step. I have already switched on my toaster, and here I have 4 slices of bread. So I'm going to butter my bread, some margarine or butter. You can spread what you have. Then I'm going to scoop some of that deliciousness and place it on my bread. The kids are surely going to enjoy this sandwich. And let me not lie, even myself, I'm going to enjoy. Make sure you have a generous amount on your toast. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of cheese just in the center of the toast to make it look even more amazing. Then I'm going to place another toast on top. Press it down a little bit, then I'm going to add more margarine on top. Now I'm going to do the next, and I'll follow the same process. Add some of that sausage goodness and make sure you spread around the toast. Don't worry, it's going to be messy, but it's worth it. It's worth the mess. Add some cheese on top. Then I'm going to press down a little bit and spread margarine on top. Because my toaster is ready, I'm going to place the bread on top, and then I'm going to cover and let the sandwich maker do its own magic. Yeah, I am done making my sandwiches, and they are looking absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to have my first bite because I've not had one. And the good thing about the sandwiches is that it is filled with meat and vegetables, and you can keep the cheese melting, and it's very appetizing from looking just at the sandwich. Tell me in the comment section what you think about my sandwiches, and if you're going to make them for your kids or yourself, or even for brunch or breakfast. And yeah, you will surely enjoy everything and every bite. Catch you on my next one. Bye.